Typing DNA's partnership with ForgeRock provides proprietary typing biometrics authentication API through ForgeRock's identity platform. Deploying our technology will enable ForgeRock's clients to take advantage of seamless typing-based authentication, enhance the security of customers and workforce, and protect their users' digital journeys. In essence, Typing DNA captures users' behavior and uses advanced data engineering and deep learning algorithms to authenticate them. The technology works as a passive security layer that runs in the background, ensuring that your data and users are kept safe without burdening their digital experiences with friction. Because enterprises can apply the technology anywhere users type, it ensures seamless authentication for a variety of use cases and in a range of industries such as banking and finance, education, and retail. Our tests have reached unprecedented accuracy for typing biometrics, leading to the wide deployment of our technology for fraud prevention and compliance with global cybersecurity regulations. You can find the Typing Biometrics API available in ForgeRock's identity platform for an easy and customizable integration based on simple mouse-click configurations and a drag-and-drop menu. To better understand how the integration works, let's take a look at how to set up two multi-factor authentication trees in ForgeRock Identity Platform using Typing DNA's API. While for the first authentication tree, we record the user's typing pattern when they enter their username and passwords, for the second authentication tree, we provide authentication based on how the user types a short phrase. In the background, the login authentication tree looks like this. But let's take a quick look at how it actually looks for the user. As you can see, the Typing DNA icon in the right corner shows that the user's pattern is recorded while they type their credentials. Based on this, the Typing DNA API recognizes whether or not the user is who they claim to be, ensuring the security of their account. In the second type of authentication tree, we've created a flow that will redirect the user to a page where they are instructed to type a short phrase. In this scenario, the authentication no longer takes place during the username and password stage of authentication. Instead, after the credentials have been verified, the user is presented with a second page where they are instructed to type a short phrase. Based on Typing DNA's API response, they will be able to securely log in to their accounts. You can get started now with Typing DNA's documentation in ForgeRock's marketplace. Should you have any questions, contact us and we'll be sure to help you out. Thanks for watching.